They're starting to, oh, this is my chance. I think that was for position. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing for the March 29, 2026 race. Right now it's Panccar AMAIN in progress, but my next race is going to be stock sedan. So this is my Mugen MTC2R. Had some issues with it today, kept hitting ESC thermals, and then in qual 3 I ended up stripping out my spur gear. So I had another racer look at it. We can't really find anything obvious wrong. It does seem like it's something on track. The feel is that something binds up and then it gets very hot to the point where it will throw my ESC into thermal protection mode. I have geared down to try and give myself a little bit more headroom with that scenario. The other thing we were thinking is maybe I've pushed my tires to the limit, because you see that groove that's in there? They're really to the point where they should be changed. But I have been reluctant to it because these are 28 shore and they have excellent grip. So even though the very edges of them are really starting to get a weird little ridge, I wonder maybe it's ballooning, maybe something is grabbing, rubbing. It's definitely some sort of an interference related issue. All the bearings and stuff seem okay. Anyway, finger crossed that we can actually finish this main. I was on a heater in Q3 until I stripped it out, so I fell way back. I think I'm starting bottom of the A main, if not top of the B. We will soon find out. So we're going to go out in stock sedan A main or B main next. All right, here we go for stock sedan A main, and I am happy to say it's an A main. I did just squeak into this on a legit qualifier run, so I am starting at the back of the A main, although the bump up from the B may be behind me. I've not stood here at all today, but I've always liked this side of the driver's stand a little bit more than the other. Hey Jake. Yeah. Jake is top qualifier today. I am barely made it into this. Had too many DNFs today. Also, there was a little bit of smack talking going on between myself and Dean Boudreau, this yellow car, so he is starting ahead of me in the grid. I will be doing my best in this race to beat him. We will see if I can do it. Was there a bump up? Who's the bump? Anyone? No bump? Then I am at the back. So no one is behind me. I start from the very back. Here we go. See if we can move up any positions in this sedan A main. Oh, I almost was able to sneak through there. That would have been amazing. Oh, he led me in. Damn, now I'm last. I had a chance to get him and I fell to last. Well, so I've definitely, some cars shifted position there. A lot of people yielded more than they needed to. Making too many mistakes, trying to push them, reel them in. Thank you. Because yeah, I have no idea. Fourth?
Yeah,
okay.
Fourth.
It's computer thinks I'm in last. Yeah, I am still in last. So apparently the positions I made up, I lost again. Someone just had to retire. They're starting to, oh, this is my chance. I think that was for position. What's the order now? Oh, no one's manning this race. Oh, I may have moved up in third. You gotta keep the yellow guy behind me. That'll be for position if he gets close. The other cars are lapping me. The blue who's coming up, I'm gonna have to let him by. Once he gets in striking range. I'm gonna let you go here, Eddie, go here. Oh, that's it. Oh, I did it. We got him. We got him from last to third. Secured the last spot on the podium. Thank you. Woo, that's the happiest I've been for a third in a while.
What happened then? My tire is not ready. Not warm up yet.
All right.
So would you pushing the...
Fifth to third. Not bad, not bad.
I let him go. So...
Ow, she's hot. Alrighty guys, that was a AMAIN podium. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for on. Thank you for the fixes and tweaks you did to this.
No problem.
She's still super duper hot, but
yeah, there's a bind.
but I was able to
get you some tires.
able to get to that podium. Yeah.
You ready to rock?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
He gave me a nice Mofeeks machine spur. I had some in my kit, but he just threw he threw it on for me while I was busy doing other stuff, getting another younger racer set up with equipment. So I'm very happy about that. Really awesome. Love it. Thanks for watching.